Love me enough, love me enough, love me enough. At the house on you, am I lucky enough, lucky enough, lucky enough? You gotta tell me if you love me enough, love me enough, love me enough. I'm wishing for you, am I lucky enough, lucky enough, lucky enough?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me kind of video. I am just getting ready to kind of go out on like a date night with my boyfriend. We're just going to go play some mini golf and then go out to eat. So I just thought I would film me getting ready, doing my makeup. So yeah, let's just get ready. So I'm going to start off priming with my primer water from Smashbox. And then for primer, I'm going to be using the Philosophy The Present primer. And you don't need a lot. It's kind of a thicker primer, so a little goes a very long way. Trying out a new sponge too. This is I usually use the Tarte Quickie one. This is the other Tarte sponge. It's definitely different feeling than the original one from them though. I'm going to use a new foundation today. I'm going to be taking the Benefit Hello Happy foundation. I have the shade 6. This is supposed to be a light medium coverage. It has an SPF of 15. And I know that this shade is a little dark for me, so I am going to be mixing in some of my LA Girl Lightener. So I'm going to just use a sponge for this, because I have watched some reviews and they did say they liked it better with the sponge. So definitely light coverage. This is the side with it. There's it without. So I mean, you can tell. Definitely covered a little bit. All my freckles are still peeking through. I have a few like little imperfections still peeking through. So I'll definitely try to go in and see if I can build it. Coverage, I would say it's definitely, like it said, a light to medium. I was able to build it up a little where I wanted, but I do still feel like I need to go in with like a full coverage concealer to get the kind of coverage that I want. And it's pretty dewy. Like I mean, you can see when I'm moving, especially like over here, there's a lot of luminosity to it. It's just going with concealer. I'm gonna use some Tarte Shape Tape. I like the two combined so far because you can still see a lot of my freckles, and it doesn't look heavy either, even though I used a full coverage concealer. I also like to do a little bit of cream contouring, so I'm going to take the Smashbox contour stick. And then for my nose, what I like to do is take a little brush. This is a Luxie medium angle brush, and just pick the product up straight from there and just kind of blend it. I like to use this e.l.f. mini stippling brush to blend it out. So I'm just gonna take this and aggressively blend my face, basically. I'm gonna go in with my powder. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm kind of just melting it into my skin instead of leaving a lot on top. That way it's still not very heavy, but it'll still get the job done, you know. So I'm gonna kind of let this sit for now and move on to the eyes. Okay, so I filled in my brows. I used the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder and then a little bit of the Anastasia Dip Brow. I have the shade 5 in this and the shade Ebony in this. So I have my lids primed with just my concealer, so I just want to blend out these creases. So for today, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35R palette. First off, I'm going in with this shade right here on a Morphe E27. So I always place the color where I want it before I start blending it out. So now that I have it there, I'll start blending it. Also going to take this on my lower lash line just while I'm doing it. I might as well do the whole thing. I'm going to be using a Morphe E22. Next, I'm going to be going in with this shade, or that shade right there, on a Morphe M441. I am not sure why, like, you see this right here. I'm not really sure why nothing is, like, clinging to it. I'm not sure, so I'm gonna ignore it. But I'm just gonna take that same shade on a E17 from Morphe. Every time I go, like, more in, the brush is just getting smaller and smaller. So this is just smaller than the previous one. And I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner and then buff it into the crease. Just kind of go in with the first brush and blend it out if I need to, or if you need to, you can do that. And I'm gonna take a smaller brush. This is from Sonia Kashuk. It is just this is the number 31 brush. Morphe has the same brush. It's the M431. Just has some purple shadow on it, but it's just this like pencil brush basically. I'm gonna use that for my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this Stila Shimmer and Glow in the shade Starlight to do like a cut crease. These are so pretty and easy to use. So once I have it on, I'm gonna take the brush that I usually use for cut creases. This is the M508 from Morphe with just a little product on it just to really sharpen it up. So just taking the last brush I used, the M433 in that dark brown, and just gonna kind of tap it over the edges here. So I'm gonna do the other eye real quick and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm done with this look. I'm not even kidding when I say it took me 8 minutes to do this eyeshadow, clean up this one, and be done. So yeah, this is super easy and I'm obsessed with these. They make cut creases literally so much easier because you don't even really need to use the brush. You just kind of have to like pull your eye a little and be a little slower. It's your preference, but either way, I'm obsessed. For liner, I'm going to use a little bit of nude liner. This is from ColourPop on my lower lash line. Then I'm actually just going to use some brown liquid liner on the top, just to kind of help hide my lash band without being, you know, too dark. So I am done with the eyes. I use the Tarte Lashes in Center of Attention. These are my favorites. I'm going to take my Bare Pro powder from Bare Minerals and just kind of set the rest of my face real quick. Then I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, my Morphe M527. I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Then I'm going to take the Morphe M530 and the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. I'm going to use this shade right here, Princess Cut, to contour with. I'm also going to use the Jady Wady Nose Perfector one from Luxie to contour my nose with that same shade. I just want to clean up my nose contour a little bit, so I'm just going to kind of bake the sides. So for blush, I'm actually using an eyeshadow. I completely forgot I had this. This is from Glamour Dolls. This is their collab with Lisa Frank. So this is a matte shadow in the shade Heartthrob, but I thought it would make a really pretty warm blush. So I'm just going to apply this with this fan brush from Morphe. To blend this, I'm just going to take my powder brush and I just kind of, I'm going to use the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Raw Chocolate. For the lips, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Matte Lipstick in the shade Spice. No, that looks so much better. Okay, nose is contoured. Let's highlight. I'm just going to use the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter for today. And I'm going to use the Anastasia A23 brush. Set the face. I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Just did my hair. I ended up doing a half up, and then you can see like I have the bottom a little bit curled in, not really curled in, but like turned in. And yeah, I ended up changing the lip color. Once I put my outfit on, I realized that the Anastasia lip didn't really match with the rest of the outfit like I wanted it to. So I thought I brought them. Okay, so I still used the Maybelline Chocolate Lip Liner, and then I filled in the center of my lip with the Kylie Lip Liner in Malibu. And then on top, I just have my KKW Beauty collab with Mario Super Nude Gloss, and this looks so much better. And let's see, these earrings are from Fashion Nova. So is this necklace. This is just a circle, and this is a little Sagittarius sign. And then I'll show you guys my outfit too. So this top is from Fashion Nova, And then I'm also wearing these pants. You can't really like see too well, but they are just like long flare pants. These are from Windsor. Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you guys liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it so much. I'm gonna be trying to do more YouTube videos now. And I've kind of been rethinking the way that I want to run my channel. Before, I've only ever posted makeup tutorials, but I've started getting into Instagram videos. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me on there. Post more frequently on there, and I've been doing a lot of makeup tutorials and makeup picks and stuff like that. So there will be more to come with that. But I do really enjoy doing the tutorials on Instagram. So for my like regular tutorials, I think I'm going to start posting more on Instagram and just have YouTube be more of like my social place with you guys like this, where I'm getting ready and I'm just talking with you, and just more fun videos too, like challenges and stuff like that. That's kind of what I want my channel to be. So if there's any specific type of video you guys like, make sure you comment down below so that I know and I keep filming that type of video, or I start filming those types of videos for you guys. And yeah, so that is it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!